In the last video, I showed you how to create a simple to-do list application, and now in this video, I want you to go out and create your very own pop-up modal. So essentially, here I have two versions of the application. This right one is the one that's working, and when I click Open Modal, you'll see it pops up this modal here, and when I click Close, it closes it. Also, if I click Open, in this overlay section, this background area, when I click on that, it's also going to close the modal. That's a bit of a bonus for this video. And right now, this version right here, which is the starting code, when I click Open Modal, it does nothing at all. So essentially here I have HTML, and all that I have is a modal.open class and an overlay.open class. So if you add the class open to either the modal or the overlay, that is going to cause them to show. So here I have the class open being applied to this modal and being applied to the overlay behind everything. And I have additional CSS styles in here that are giving us that dark color and the nice little card look on our modal. That doesn't matter at all. Don't worry about that. So all you need to do is follow the step-by-step guides I put here. For example, number one, the first thing you need to do is link this script tag. And then inside of our script, I wrote out all the steps that you need to do. First thing to do is select all the elements. Then we need to create a click listener for opening the modal. So that's going to add the open class to the modal. Same thing for click listener on that close modal button. And then finally, I have a few bonuses in here. So if you want to add that overlay background, all of those are going to be in this bonus section. So you can follow along with the bonus section if you want, or you can just wait to do the bonus after everything. Either way, doesn't matter. It's just kind of a bonus exercise to see if you can take this project an extra step. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this, but for now you can download all this starting source code in the link in the description below, and then I'll show you how to do everything in the next video. I can't wait to see you there.